Hello, an angel good afternoon. Below will give you a small exposition of nature. My name is Alex Luis. The continued exposition is the nature. The nature. What is the nature? The import nature is the most general meaning. Is the set of all living organisms that make you the physical universe that have occurred natural with human intervention in the life. We as children we are used to admiring the wonders of plants and the flower daily. We like to interact with pets and know how to care for, feed and protect them. The nature is also present. We look at the landscape and we are amazed by its beauty, wind, it rains, and we watch the drops fall out the windows. The nature it is important to understand. Then that caring for the every month not only allows you to delight in natural landscapes and everything that nature has created in millions of the years of evolution. As members of said in ecosystem, we must protect it for our own welfare and not destroy the beauty and harmony of nature, the new life. The nature is very important to use because in the we have a diversity of animals and plants and we project them with would destroy of nature. Trees that take to time to grow bear the best fruit of our the lives. Thank you.